Breaking the ice can be difficult, and the last thing you want to do is turn a first date into a job interview. Here are the 5 questions you should never ask on a first date and what to ask instead.
So, what's your story?
Not only is this impersonal, it's also way too open-ended. Try a would you rather kind of question instead. That way you can keep it more playful while still getting to know them and their sense of humor.
Why are you still single?
Even if you're trying to be flirty, what's the best case scenario for this question? You're immediately putting your date on the defensive. Instead, try, what did you do today? Okay, it's admittedly basic, but at least you can get the ball rolling and they don't have to explain their history of commitment issues.
So, what attracted you to me?
There's no way to phrase this that doesn't sound either really arrogant or super insecure. As a rule of thumb, avoid fishing for compliments and opt for something more lighthearted on a first date. How about a question like, what's your favorite holiday? It's a safe question, but way more effective.
What are your hobbies?
It's almost a good question, but it's just way too broad. Expect some dead air if you go this route. Another specific question you could ask is, what were you like as a kid? This is great because you can provide them with some distance between who they used to be and who they are now. It's a win-win.
Red or white wine?
Here's the thing. You can make any kind of question work for you on a first date, as long as it's specific and original and you're actually interested in starting a conversation out of the other person's answer. A first date should be about natural conversation and playful banter, and not yes or no job interview questions. So, what's your least favorite first date question? Or what's the worst question someone's ever asked you on a first date? Drop a comment below and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.